In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. You need to begin by accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, you need to type in Magic Fluids. Then get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now to access settings, click on the bottom right one. Click on settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then you can check out all of those options, and when you finished, tap on the top right corner. Then bottom one again. This time though, choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and select one of those options. In my case, home screen only. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!